Algebra OST Spring 2023 released test items number 2 says Ava has a collection of 48 fiction books and 22 nonfiction books. She has 18 total books that are signed by the author. There are 40 fiction books that are unsigned. Complete the two-way table to show the number of each type of book in Ava's collection. So if you look at the 4 boxes here, each of these 4 boxes represents 2 categories. Like this first box here represents a fiction book that is signed. Okay, so if you look at these first 2 numbers here, 48 fiction books and 22 nonfiction books, that would be the total of the fiction and nonfiction row. So they don't give you the total column and the total row down here. I actually like to add those totals in. So I know that there are going to be 48 total fiction books and 22 total nonfiction books. So I actually know that the grand total of all the books is 48 and 22, which is 70. Okay? So again, those do not go in those 4 boxes. She has 18 total books that are signed. So now at the bottom of the signed column, this should be 18. And now this number right here, this 40, is the key, because this 40 are the fiction books that are unsigned. Fiction books that are unsigned. That number 40 goes right there. 40. And now it's just a subtraction problem from there. So to get the number of fiction books that are signed, we're going to take 48 and subtract 40 to get 8. So these 2 boxes must add up to 48. Same thing here. To get the nonfiction that are signed right there, we need to subtract 18 and 8, which is 10. And to get this spot right here, we need to take 22 and subtract 10 to get 12. And now we have those 4 boxes filled in this two-way table. So remember, all the rows add up to the total, all the columns add up to the total, and this bottom right corner, I call it the grand total.